So now we will we have to solve the word problems in this chapter. So here we have the example of page number 34 from your textbook. In this question, it is given that there are 1283 old books and 4315 new books in a school library. So how many books are there in all? So in this question we have to find out that how many total books in that school library. So we are given here number of old books. How many old books are there in the school? There are 1283 and number of new books is 4315. So we have to find the total number of books. So total number of books how can we find it? We will add these two numbers to get the answer. Here we will here you can add these numbers as 1283 and 4315 and then tens and ones. We will starting from here. We will add 3 plus 5. So how much it will become? 8. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. And 1 plus 4, 5. So we have here the answer. We will write it here, 5598. Hence, what is our answer? The total number of books in the school. Total number of books in the library is 5598. Here we can write 598. In this way we can solve you can solve the word problems given in your textbook in exercise 2.4. Hello and good morning everyone. So in today's maths class we are going to start our unit 2, addition. So students, you are very familiar with addition. That what is addition? Let us recall it. Addition means to put things together, to add them. But in mathematics we have to deal with the numbers. So in the concept of numbers, the addition means to put the numbers together, to add them. So in this chapter addition, we will learn about addition more deeply. So addition does have two important terms, that is addends and sums. So what are addends? Addends are the numbers that to be added. That here we have example, you can see these two numbers is to be added. So these are called addends. These two numbers are called addends. And the total of these numbers, when we add them, we will get a total, that is 52. So this total is called its sum. So here we are clear that what are addends and sum. So in your previous classes you have learned a simple method of addition. But in this chapter we are going to learn addition by different methods. So generally there are two methods of addition. First one is, method number 1 is method 1. So what is method 1? Method 1 is breaking one number. Breaking one number. What does it mean, breaking one number? That means if we have, there are two digit numbers, for example, plus 36. So we have to add these two addends. Okay, so in these two addends we have to break one of them. That means we have to expand one of the number. By solving this, here I will write 25 and we will expand the 36 into 30 plus 6. So here it will become 25 plus 30 plus 6. So you will add this as 25 plus 30. Here in the rough work, 25 plus 30 becomes 5. And 2 plus 3 is 5. So here it will become 55 plus 6, and you will add this as 55 plus 6. Then 5 plus 6, how much? 11. Then carry goes 1. So 5 here is nothing. So we can consider here as 0. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. So the sum of this number is 61. So this is your answer. This is the first method, that is breaking one number. So now we will learn. So now we will learn the second method of addition, that is breaking both the number. Here second method is breaking both numbers. Breaking both numbers means if we have a question 27 plus 34, these are the two given addends which has to be added. So first, what we have to do in this method, we have to expand both these numbers. Like solving it as 20 plus 7, here I break it, and it will be broken in 30 plus 4. Now simplifying it as 20 plus 30 and 7 plus 4. So 20 plus 30 will become how much? Here you will add 20 plus 30, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 3, 5. So it will become 50. 50 plus 7 plus 4, how much? You can add here, this is a single digit addition, as 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here it will become 11. Now add these two addends, we will get 50 plus 11, 50 plus 11. 0 plus 1, 1, and 5 plus 1, 6. So the sum of these two numbers is 61. Here we get the answer from the method number 2, and we have learned learning the methods of different methods of addition. Now we will learn addition with carryover. Here we have the question as add 3625 and 4879. In order to add these two addends, first of all we will write here solution. First of all we will write them in the place value. Because this is a 4 digit number, so we have written here the 4 place values. Now we will write the numbers 2, 5, 4, 8, 7, 9. Here is the sign of addition. Now we will add here in the ones place. We will always start to add from the right side from the ones place. So here it is given 5 plus 9. You have to do this addition because this is the addition with carryover. So we will add this. Now you have to add this number here, 5 plus 9. Count it how much it is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. So now count from 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Here we get the 4 and the 1 goes on carry. Here we have to add 2 and 7. So first of all you will add 2 plus 7, that is 2 plus 7. How much will it become? 2 plus 7 is 9. And here is one more carry, so it is also be added to the sum of these two numbers. So 9 is the sum of these two numbers and it will be added and the 1 will be added, so it will become 10. So 0 will become here and the carry goes 1. Now you will add these two numbers, 6 plus 8 here. So how much it will become? 6 plus 8 is 40. Here we have the sum of these two numbers as 14 and we add the carry in this, so we will get 15. So here becomes 5 and the carry goes on 1. Now we will add these two numbers as 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. So how much 3 plus 4 will become? 7. And there is carry is 1. So we will add this number. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8. So here we get the answer as 8. So adding these two numbers with carryover, our answer is 8504.